Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn, in addition to the FreeCAD sketching, also about the application of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Hole, Pocket, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today. We convert this 2D drawing, step by step, into this 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. These are the steps and the tools that I used to create this 3D solid part. In step 1, we sketch the position 1 profile on XY plane and create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XY plane. Activate the Centered Rectangle tool and sketch the rectangle at the origin. Activate the Fillet tool and add a fillet to the corners. Select all fillets and then constrain them equal. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the bigger part of the sketch and extrude it by 50 millimeters. Next, hide the sketch and then select the small sketch and extrude it by 75 millimeters. In step 2, we create a hole and remove material from the created part. Select the top face and then activate the Sketch tool. Sketch a circle without any dimension at the center of the square face. Next, extract the reference edges to constrain the new sketch. Now, close the sketch. Next, select the sketch and activate the Hole tool. In the dialog window, select the option Counterbore and then set the parameters according to the drawing. In step 3, we remove material from the created part with the help of Pocket tool. Select the top face and then activate the Sketch tool. First, extract the reference edges to constrain the new sketch. Close the sketch. Activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 25 millimeters. Now, add a fillet to the corners. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment the video. In step 4, we sketch the position for profile and create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Select the top face and then activate the Sketch tool. Next, extract the reference edges to constrain the new sketch. Remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Extrude the sketch by 200 millimeters. In step 5, we create a cylindrical part with the holes. Select the front face and then activate the Sketch tool. Sketch a circle with a radius of 62.5 millimeters at the middle of the construction line. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it by 225 millimeters. Now select the front face of the cylinder and activate the Hole tool. Set the depth type to through-hole and the diameter to 75 millimeters. Create the second cylinder and the hole in similar way. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.